Welcome CNG students. Hope everybody got through the weekend okay. The first week should be completed. Once again, um, if you look in the Dropbox here, no set hard dates of when they close. Just make sure you get those submissions in. So here I should see the total files. Um, Pretty much always the same. When we go back to this screen. I still have 3 discussion posts to read. I will start grading after that. What I try to do is on Mondays, at least get this post out. I have class in the morning, so I'll get this post out in the afternoon, or this intro, the kickoff update by me, and then I'll start grading everybody's stuff. My goal is to have everything graded from the previous week, at least graded and entered by Wednesday. Once again, without those hard Dropbox due dates, when you do submit late, I'll change your score after I read the submission. For this week, when you're going into Chapter 2, remember you can click the bi-week schedule and see an entire rundown of what we're doing. But what I usually do is just click what I'm attempting to do, uh, the individual assignment that I'm attempting to do, like get done reading, start my discussions, do my quiz, or do my assignment, review, and then finally get my quiz. I had one question about the quizzes. All the quizzes will be through MindTap. They're integrated, they're pulled down from that. Simply, I just go to the gradebook and make sure it updates. I encourage you guys to also keep track of what is being updated. When I went to the MindTap for this week, we identify some threats. I will expand on this a little bit more after you guys have read or at least skimmed the chapters on the midweek kickoff. One difference about this week, I will be going on vacation starting Thursday night. I did book a place with Wi-Fi, but I don't know how good the Wi-Fi is until I get there. So I will be taking my laptop with me. I'll do, once again, uh, um, a middle and then a going into the weekend kind of update thing just to keep you guys going. With those submissions, I wanted to point out too, in case somebody didn't read this in the very beginning, pay attention to news. I post a lot of things in the news, and those are pretty valuable tidbits. I don't try to waste your guys' time because I know your time is valuable as long as my own. You know, I do try to make these videos short and sweet, but sometimes they get drawn out to about 7 minutes. So if you have time, I would say every Monday night, at least make sure there's no news, or through the week, you're at least checking the news section to see if anything has changed. Um, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me or IM me. I should be reading all this stuff this afternoon and probably cutting out around, I don't know, 5 o'clock.